do we have any Tony Rice fans in the crowd? Yeah? Okay, thanks. Just checking. Duly noted. See if you recognize this one. And I love to hear the whistle blow. Taking the sun and beating the rain, making me wanna go. Got the blues, I'm longing for some company. Many miles from where I am, you're the only one for me. And I get so lonesome there, waiting on the manifest. I hope that engineer is kind enough to let me be his guest. Go, Jody.